Do you want to learn how to be more positive in the relationship? Then here are simple 3 steps. Step number 1. Look at positives in the present. Our minds have a habit of focusing on the past and that too the negative. The mind magnifies the negative. Especially when there's a fight or an argument, our mind counts all the negative incidents that we have experienced in the relationship. And the mind does that to put the blame on the other. So does that happen with you or not? If the answer is yes, then here's something for you. Either we control the mind or it starts controlling us. So in simple words, you need to consciously pull out the mind from the negative spiral by thinking about the positives that are there in the relationship. And there are so many positives in the relationship in the present moment. But this is going to be a difficult task. Now let me explain to you with an example. Our mind can find out 20 faults in a painting that's made by somebody else. But it will take you days to make the same painting. And you'll not be able to listen to any negative about that painting. You need to look at the positives in the present. If you really want to add positivity in your relationship, you need to bring positivity in your mind towards your partner, towards your relationship in the present moment. So right after the video, take a pen and paper and write down 10 great things about your partner and your relationship. They may be small things. Maybe your partner is a good listener, but he or she is not so romantic. Now you need to make a choice to look at what he or she does to you and not what's missing. Similarly, maybe your partner supports you in the time of your need and is always there for you whenever you're in trouble, but doesn't know how to spend that quality time with you. Now you need to write down the positives and focus on the positives in the present. Step number 2. Stop looking for perfection. Nothing in nature is perfect, right? Look at the trees. Do they have a KRA list and do they bear the exact number of fruits with the exact technical specification every year? No. Do clouds get the exact quantity of water and drop it at the exact location? No. But we humans focus on perfection. And this habit of perfecting everything has done more harm to humanity than good. So similarly, all of us expect our relationships to be perfect, our partner to behave in the perfect fashion. And that's where our problems start. When we see our partner not behaving in the perfect way, as per how we think, as per how we've learned in the storybooks and the movies, we feel disappointed. And that disappointment shows on our face, in our words, in our behaviors towards our partner. And what's the outcome of that? Our partner also reacts back to our frustration. So if you really want positivity in your relationship, give up that perfection. Relationships are all about relating. Relating to the person within your partner. What all does he or she likes and dislikes? What all he or she aspires in life? What all his or her value systems are. When you relate to your partner truly, you do not expect your partner to be perfect as per your list. Rather, you support his or her individuality. Step number 3. Trust and look at the larger perspective. Trust is a way more important ingredient for a happy relationship than love. If you choose trust over doubt, you will be adding positivity to your relationship. But in today's fast-paced life, all of us are taught right from our school that you have to put me first. All the advertisements focus on me first. It's all about me, me, me. But do you do that in your work? Do you do that with customers, with your boss? No. In work, we talk about teamwork, leadership, but we don't do that in our personal lives. And that's why there are problems in personal life. You do very well and excel in your career when you follow leadership. So instead of looking at what you got from the relationship, start looking at what your partner expects from you, from the relationship. And if your partner is not behaving as per how you expect, Think beyond. Why is your partner behaving in that fashion? What is it that he feels in the relationship? Look at your partner's expectations as genuine as yours. So take lead and give love to your partner the way he or she wants. And here, there's a principle of science which you need to remember. Every action has equal and opposite reaction, which means if you put love, you will get love in return. We at Mind Tigers offer one-to-one personalized training such that you're able to do the right actions and develop the right habit that'll help you create a love-filled relationship with your partner. You get a personal trainer who handholds you for 49 days and makes you do those right actions every day with just a 5 minute of easy exercises. So do like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon if you want to see more of these types of videos. Till then, good luck.